Chants of hang him echoed at the Badlapur railway station as angry protesters demanded justice for two minor girls who were allegedly sexually assaulted. Trains were halted as protesters swarmed and blocked the tracks at Badlapur railway station situated in Thane, Maharashtra on 20th August. People not ready to give up even as police appealed to them to not carry out the protests. So why are the people protesting in Badlapur? Two 4-year-old school children were allegedly sexually abused by a cleaning staff member on August 12th and 13th in the washroom of their school. The accused was hired by the school on a contractual basis. The citizens and parents of the school children have been alleging delay in responding to the crime from the police's side.
देर हुई थी, मतलब 13 से 16 तक का इंसिडेंस है और 18 को इसका एफआईआर उनके जो पालक है उन्होंने किया था। तो इसमें भी 12 घंटे का जो गैप हुआ था, वो 12 घंटे उसके बारे में वहाँ के जो पीआई है उनको भी ट्रांसफ़र किया गया है। लेकिन मैं अपने ऑनरेबल डिप्टी सीएम साहब के विनती करूंगा कि इसको भी निलंबित किया जाए, उस पुलिस ऑफिसर को भी।
What action has been taken against the accused? A senior police officer said that a stringent criminal case has been registered, and within 4 hours of the case registration, the accused was arrested. The court granted police custody of the accused. A thorough investigation is being carried out. A senior inspector of the police station concerned himself is investigating the matter, and 2 experienced women police officers have been assisting him. Senior officers are also overseeing the investigation to ensure a watertight case is prepared with maximum pieces of evidence. The Central Railway said local trains were stopped at the Badlapur railway station. Officials said that from 10:10 a.m., the train movement is held up at the Badlapur railway station due to protest over non-railway issues. CR officials said train operations in both directions had been completely stopped and 5 express trains had been diverted via the Karjat Panvel route toward Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. As part of the protest, shops and other establishments in the Badlapur region remained closed on Tuesday. The school where the alleged incident took place was also forced to close. Local political leaders also joined the protest, and the supporters also turned up for the agitation. Chief Minister of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde has promised speedy investigation and emphasized the need for institutions to conduct thorough background checks when hiring staff.
इस मामले में एक एसआईटी का निर्माण किया है। आईजी लेवल की महिला अधिकारी को एसआईटी का प्रमुख बनाया गया है। हमारा ये प्रयास है कि इस मामले की तुरंत जांच होकर और चार्जशीट भी जाए और फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में इसको हम चलाने की कोशिश करेंगे, ताकि जो पीड़िता है उनको एक प्रकार से उसमें न्याय मिल पाए। इस प्रकार का हमारा प्रयास होगा।
जैसे ऑफिस में हम लोग विशाखा समिति बना रहे, वैसे ही विशाखा समिति बनाने का जीआर मैं आज ही निकाल रहा हूँ, ताकि जो बड़े बच्चे हो, जो 9वीं में है, 10 में है, वो लड़कियाँ इसमें भाग ले सके और ये छोटे बच्चों का प्रोटेक्शन कर सके।